Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. So to remove your Bitmoji, first you open Snapchat and you need to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. Not your profile picture but your current Bitmoji, alright? Click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile of your Snapchat. Now once you're in your profile of your Snapchat, this is basically what your Bitmoji is going to look like. Maya is wearing an Argentinian jersey with a little mustache, so that's basically my Bitmoji. So if I want to delete it, what I need to do is click on the setting icon at the top right of my screen. And once I click on the setting icon, it's going to take me to the setting page of my Snapchat. Now once I'm over here, what I need to do is the option called Bitmoji, search for it and click on Bitmoji. And once I click on Bitmoji, it's going to take me to my Bitmoji page. Now once I'm over here at the bottom, you can see remove my Bitmoji. It's a little small, so you might not be able to notice it, but it's right over here. Click on remove my Bitmoji and it says, if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose it, which means if you delete your Bitmoji, it's going to be permanently deleted. You won't be able to recover it. So it's asking, are you sure? So I am sure, so I will click on remove and wait for some time. And as you guys can see, my Bitmoji has been removed. So that's how you guys can remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.